Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Today we are going to discuss some threat intelligence projects which we have collected from GitHub. If you go to downloads, you go to threat intelligence projects, you'll get an article which describes what threat intelligence is. It shows some models, it discusses some about cyber threat intelligence. But the nice part is when you go to the download section, you will see that there's a list of currently more than 900 threat intelligence related projects which you can utilize. They cover a wide range. I don't know all of them. I still need to take a look at some of them. And I'm certain that there are some projects in there which will interest you and grab your attention. Maybe it will even convince you to participate in the projects which are currently on GitHub. So if you go to the website, you go to downloads, you go to threat intelligence projects, and you will get a nice overview. This list is updated daily, so once a new threat intelligence project is added to GitHub, it will certainly end up here. So make sure to check back and keep a track on this list. Enjoy!